Oh, that's amazing. My sister has so kindly joined us in the Philippines. How exciting!
Everybody smile.
You guys in it?
Everybody in. There you go.
Spacious seating so far, what did you say?
I would agree.
Woohoo!
Great.
We're not here yet. The girls are gonna love this toilet. We made it! That was fucked.
So sick.
Very luscious accommodation we have here.
Cheers.
It's been 7 years. 7 years? 7 years since I've tasted Red Horse. Still not very good.
It tastes like Coors Light almost.
Coors Light. Father's gonna love that.
The Red Horse beer. Father.
How we doing, gang? Delicious. Hey Bales, what are we doing today?
Going on us. Booskers, bro.
All right, we're in Port Barton. We are about to head on to the booze cruise with Cocorico. So this is very exciting. My sister has decided to join us from Canada. I'm with my beautiful girlfriend. We've met a bunch of people on the ride up from Puerto Princesa, so it's gonna be a really good time. Let's go. It's a really good look for you. Oh my gosh, look at this island.
Philippines was going to be great, but like this, I just can't believe this. So I'm taking it all in. Life is so amazing. At the bar. Let's go.
Let's go. So it's the morning after the Cocorico booze cruise, and we are not feeling too good this morning. But yeah, we had such a good group of people. We actually met a lot of the people coming up from Puerto Princesa on the minivan, which was super cool that we got to do that all with them. All the islands were so beautiful, the water was crystal clear. So yeah, if you're ever in Port Barton and you like to have a bit of a party and explore islands, definitely stay at the Cocorico Hostel and do the booze cruise, because it was a lot of fun.